Okay, so what we worked on is advanced timing. So in a starter step, what I noticed is you guys are starting on the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, which is not wrong, but it's not the higher levels. I would say intermediate and above usually dance on the 2, especially the advanced all-star and the champions, because you're pulsing the beat, and you got that beat, yes? Emphasize the 2 beat. So if you do a tap step, it emphasizes the 2. 1 step 2, 1 change 2, 2, 2. So start doing your starter steps like that. It's the equivalent of doing a tap step and a sugar push if we go 1, 2, tap, step, triple step. 1, 2, tap, step, triple step. Pretty much the same thing. So we added a rock and go, doing what we used to call it back in the day, a half foot. So we went tap, step, rock, and go. And what we established here is that there needed to be some extension compression. There's something that we call, this is the bonus, what we still call double resistance. We put this at the end. This is something you should learn. You don't know, but you kind of learned it already. You just didn't learn it from here. 3 and 4. Woo! That's good stuff. But we added it on the rock and go because you still have to compress. After the tap, when I do the rate transfer on the 2, I bring my follower in toward me, toward that dividing line between us as I come to her. Also think of it as I bring her to the ball of that foot forward and the ball of my foot forward. So we've got and a touch, compress, extend, and bring by. Let me just get an exit. Thank you very much.